Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you must be doing really great and enjoying the weather around. So today's video is all about what and how we are going to implement the flipped classes or flipped way of teaching and learning with this particular topic which we have just started in our earlier classes, that is elasticity of demand. Why flipped classes? Because along with the theoretical understanding, I think it is imperative for you to understand how things are implemented and how things can be moved from theory to practical in a real world examples form. And this is the reason here we will be dealing with the problem solving things during the class hours and not the discussion during the class hours. So how are we going to do that? I have few videos or few online learning materials for you based on the theoretical discussion we had in our classes. I will share it with you over the Google Classroom, which we usually do use, and based on that I will be giving you certain homework assignments. So how are we going to implement this? You are supposed to watch the video, take the lesson learnings from that, and then based on the questions for the homework which has already been given to you, you are going to ask me in our class discussions that how these questions or how these problems can be solved. So what are we doing here? You are yourself learning through those videos and coming to me with the solutions or with the problems if there are any, addressing the questions which have already been given to you over the assignment, that is homework assignment. I hope I am making myself a bit clear here. This is one of the opportunities for you to make yourself more suitable for any employment opportunities which are coming your way in the future. You know, when you're going for the interviews, what we usually think or what we usually do, we do the background study of a organization or of a CEO who you are expected to take face them into the interview. So you do your homework in terms of their bios, their knowledge and all that. And when asked, do you have anything to ask about the organization? And if you ask a logical reasoning or logical question, then that gives you a brownie point. Similarly, in this way, in this mode, you are given a video to watch, a learning material to see, and based on that, you are expected to solve your homework questions. And once you come back to the class, and if you have any problems, you can always discuss it with me or with the group activities which I have planned for you. And how are they going to play any role in this? We will discuss the concept questions with our peers. That means with your group of people, students, peer around you, you can discuss your questions first. Collaborate your work, collaborate your homework assignment with your group members so that it can come out to be more productive and more effective. And then you can collaboratively or actively solve the problems. It is not that only you as an individual are having problems. You can get it solved with your group members. Or maybe you can help your group member to address their problems. So that's how this flipped classroom going to work wonders. These are the learning materials which I have for you. There is one lecture which is specified which lecture you have to see, and then related to that elasticity of demand, you are going to see a video which is very short and very interesting and very interactive in a sense that it will give you good idea of how you are going to do it and take it forward. So this is all we are going to do in the flipped classroom mode. If related to anything you have any problem, please do let me know. Come back to me, we'll clarify and we'll solve it. And after we conclude this activity, you will be judged based on the quizzes I have formed for you, and that will be called as the assessment, which is planned for the last day of the week. So wishing you a very happy, active and dynamic learning. That's all from now. See you soon in the class.